Okay, 8-5. Pretty tough for ordinary level. The first star medal's right there. And this is also the last level before the castle is ready. So, yeah. Grab onto this pool. Be patient. And jump off. Anyways, right here is a blue boomerang. I think I'm gonna pick a Tanuki. Cause I just think it's better. And you can get free one or boomerang. Depending on who you are. Anyway, there's a star medal right there. You get one chance at it in the level before you have to restart. Actually, the boomerang isn't that bad, cause you can do that. Kill the bonsai build and switch back to Tanuki. And get a 1-up. So I guess I will see you guys next time for the castle. Bye.